Hi, we have solved 14 problems in picoCTF 2018, and today we're going to solve number 15, which is called pipe for 110 points. It's also under general skills. And hints is a good thing to read here because it gives you a description of what a pipe is in Linux terminology. And the problem is, during your adventure, you will likely encounter a situation where you need to process data that you receive over the network rather than through a file. Can you find a way to save the output from this program and search for the flag? And then the connection here. So I'm guessing they want us to find the flag while the program is running, but we could also, of course, create our own file and look for it afterwards. But let's get started here. We kind of know what we're actually going to do here because we have used grep a few times from before, and last time we also used pipe, and that's actually what we're going to do this time too, to capture the flag here. First, we're going to have to log in with our normal credentials. Netcat, of course. And you have to be a little curious here what's going to happen if we don't do anything except just connect, just to see what happens. So we're going to do that first, just for the fun of it. On my computer, that's a never-ending program. I can't even get out of it. But what we can do, and what you learned if you read the pipe there, is we can use the pipe here. And what we're actually doing here is we're redirecting, right? So we're taking the output of whatever is coming out of this program and redirecting it into another command. And the command we're going to use is grep. And we are looking for capture the flag or picoCTF, but I'm going to just write pico here, and let's see what happens. And that gives us actually the flag right away. What we could do is, if we really wanted to, is we could add here this sign, which tells grep again to actually put this in a file, and we can put it in just, we can call it just file, and then enter. And now if we take an ls, we have the file, and we can use a cat to look inside the file, and we've created a file, and we have the flag, and we also got the flag without creating a file here, just by capturing what we wanted from the output here. So let's just copy the flag. That's Control C and not with the mouse, and move over to the program again. And we have already discussed both grep and pipe from before, so there's really not much to explain about exactly this problem. So let's paste in the answer here and submit it and see if it's correct. And yes, it is. So we have solved one more problem, and next time we're going to do inspect me for 125 points. And that's our first web exploitation. Until next time.